If you have been on keto for a while, you probably are already familiar with the 90-second bread. If you're not familiar with it, or if you're new to keto, you never heard of it, then just stick around. It's a really simple way where you can still enjoy things that need bread. Breakfast sandwiches, burgers, sandwiches, you can use them for anything that you want. You make it in the microwave, and I'm going to show you today how to make it, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so we're going to start off with adding 1 tablespoon of butter into either a ramekin or a coffee cup. We're going to put that in the microwave. Just do about 10-15 seconds at a time until it's melted. So now we have our melted butter, and to the melted butter we're going to go ahead and add in 1 large egg. If you want it to taste a little less on the eggy side, you can also do a 1/4 cup of egg whites if you buy egg whites. So either 1 large egg or a 1/4 cup of egg whites. And then just give it a good mix, and then we can go ahead and add in our dry ingredients. Alright, and today's recipe we're using almond flour. So we are adding in 3 tablespoons of almond flour. If you cannot have almond flour, you can also use coconut flour, but you're going to need 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, not 3 tablespoons. Okay, and then we're going to give this a mix until the batter is pretty smooth. We're adding in 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now, we're also adding in some everything but the bagel seasoning today. You can add in whatever seasonings you want. You know, when we make these for burgers and sandwiches and stuff, we normally put in like garlic powder and onion powder. That helps with the taste a lot. The flavor. We're also adding in here 1/2 teaspoon of sweetener. This part is totally optional. I just feel like it helps with the flavor, and I like to put just a little bit of sweetener in it to make it taste better. And you can put Italian seasoning, you can put everything but the bagel, you can do garlic powder and onion powder, whatever you want you can put in there. So you want to tap it a little bit before you put it in the microwave just to get any air bubbles out. And while that is in the microwave for 90 seconds, we're gonna go ahead and get this pan ready so that we can toast our 90-second bread. You can put them in the toaster if you want, but I think they toast up better when you do them like this. So I'm just going to put a little bit butter in a pan, and it looks like the 90-second bread is done, and it should come out really easily. All you pretty much have to do is hold it upside down, you know, give it a little tap or so, and it should actually come right out with no problem. So sometimes they don't come out 100% perfect, but it's fine. And then depending on how thick they get, you can get 2, sometimes 3 slices out of them. I don't like mine super thick, so I am able to cut this one into 3 pieces. And then for this video, we're just using them as like an English muffin, you know. And we're going to put you can put cream cheese on them, you can put jelly, if you like to put peanut butter, or whatever it is, whatever you used to eat on your toast or your English muffin that you thought you couldn't have anymore because you're on keto now, you can still have it with this 90-second bread when you toast it. So let's go ahead and let this bread toast, and then I'll show you how it toasts up. Alright guys, so here is the 90-second bread, and it's toasted. You can put on anything that you want. I went ahead and put on some cream cheese and threw on some extra everything but the bagel seasoning. And that is good. So if you miss having like a toast with cream cheese or jam or peanut butter in the mornings, give this a try. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember, this 90-second bread, you make it in the microwave, and you can use it for anything that you want, that you need bread for. I will see you on the next video.